Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall do some arithmetic on a pipe and cistern. You know, pipe and cistern means nala ebang kunda. We have already worked out some sums on pipe and cistern. Today we shall begin with question number 12. And question number 12 is like this. If two pipes function simultaneously क्या सांगा रे? The reservoir is filled in 6 hours. One pipe fills the reservoir in 5 hours.
Sir, 5 hours.
5
Hours.
hours in
Sir, इधर लिखी नहीं.
in one pipe fills the reservoir in 5 hours. No, not necessary. 5 hours faster than the other. How many hours does the faster pipe take to fill the reservoir? There are two pipes. Could you understand? There are two pipes. One is faster, another is slower. Let the slower pipe be X, right? Let the slower pipe takes X hour to fill the reservoir. X hour. The faster pipe will take how many hours? As per the question, that is X plus 5 hours. Could you understand? Could you understand? So, as 2, 12. No, we should do number 11. Next we shall do the number 11. First let's do the number 12. 12. 5 hours. So as per the question, as per the question, what is 1 upon x plus x hours means in 1 hour it is 1 upon x, it is 1 upon x plus 5x, 5, right? In hour part, this is part and this is also part. So 1 by x plus 1 upon x plus 5 is equal to how many? 1 upon 6. Implies that LCM is equal to x into x plus 5. So x into x plus 5 divided by x is equal to x plus 5 plus x is equal to 1 upon 6. Implies that now let's 2x plus 5 upon x square plus 5x is equal to 1 upon 6. Implies that what? 6 into 2x plus 5 is equal to x square plus 5x. This is due to multiplication, a cross multiplication. So 12x plus 30 is equal to x square plus 5x. Implies that जितनी 2x implies that 12x plus 30 minus x square minus that is how many x? 5x. 5x is equal to 0. Implies that 7x plus 30 minus x square is equal to 0. Implies that minus 7x minus 30 plus x square is equal to 0. Implies that x square minus 7x minus 30 is equal to 0. Implies that x square plus no not plus minus 10x minus plus 3x minus 30 is equal to 0. Implies that x into x minus 10 plus 3 into x minus 10 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10. Could understand? So 10 hours. The right answer is, which is the right answer? 10 hours. Number 2 is the 10 hours. Could understand? This is 10 hours. Just we shall do. Here number, we shall give number.
2.
Number 2. Right? Okay, done. Number 2. So now move to the question number 11. Is this one, right? This one. Two pipes P and Q would fill a cistern in 12 and 16 minutes respectively. Both pipes being opened, find when the first pipe must be turned up so that the cistern may be just filled in 8 minutes. Two pipes. There are how many pipes? Two pipes. One is P, another is Q. Would fill a cistern in 12 and 16 minutes respectively. ଯଥାକ୍ରମେ both pipes being opened ଖୋଲାଗଲା, find when the first pipe must be turned up. ପ୍ରଥମଟା ବନ୍ଦ କରାଯିବ, କେତେବେଳେ ବନ୍ଦ କରାଯିବ, so that the cistern may be filled just filled in 8 minutes. Okay, pipe P alone fills the cistern in 1 minute. Pipe P. So they work together, who? P and Q. But we turned up the pipe, both the pipe, we turned up the pipe, first pipe, that is P, in the midway. That means Q worked for 8 minutes. Q worked for how many minutes? 8 minutes. That is Q's 1 minutes, minutes, work is filling is 1/8 part. Could understand? So remainder is how many? Tell me. 1 minus 1 upon 8 is equal to LCM 8. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7 upon 8 part. This is the remainder. And this part is done by both P and by both means P and Q. So seventh, 8th or 7 upon 8th part of the cistern filled by P, pipe P and Q. So P and Q's, you know, P plus Q's 1 hours, that is hours, yes, minutes, filling is equal to 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 16. That is how many? 48. 48 divided by 12 is equal to 4, you know, plus 48 divided by 16 is equal to 3, is equal to how many? 7 upon 48 part. Could you understand? So So 7 upon 8 in 1 minute. Both P and Q in 1 minute fill 7 upon 48 part. Could understand? So 7 upon 48 part is filled, FILLed filled by how many? By filled by P and Q, P plus Q in 1 minute. So one part will be filled 1 into 48 upon 7. Therefore 7 upon 8 into 7 upon 8. 7, 7. 8, 6. That is 6 hours. How many hours?
6 minutes.
6 minutes, yes. Thank you. 6 minutes, right? Okay, 6 minutes. Which is
number
correct?
three.
Number 3. Number 3 is not given. We shall give. Wait. Okay. Number 3. That is 6 minutes. Okay, done. Next number, that is 13. You understand? Which number did I say? Number
13.
13. Okay. Which number did I say?
Number 13.
Number 13. We shall do number 13. Could understand? Number?
13.
So leave it. 3 pipes A, B, C, A, B, and C can fill a cistern in 36 minutes. After working together for 12 minutes, C is closed and A, B fill the cistern in 48 minutes. Then find the time in which the cistern can be filled by P.
P no, C.
C, yeah, C. So, this is the number 13. Number 13. So, let's, the pipe A fills the cistern in X hours. Let pipe A fills in X hours. Right? B, no, it's not. It has been all. Pipe A plus B से here, as per the question, A plus B plus C से 1 minute or filling is 136 part. They worked for 12 minutes. So there is 12 minutes filling is 1 upon 36 into 12, right? 136 into 12. 12 1 that 12 3 that is 1 3 part. So rest part is 1 minus 1 upon 3 is equal to how many? 3. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 upon 3 part. Whole part will be, so 3 upon 2 part takes 48 minutes as per the question. As per the question, 2 upon 3 parts takes 48 minutes to be filled in, right? So 1 part will be 48 into 3 upon 2. 24, that 24 is 72 hours. Minutes or hours?
Hours.
Minutes. Minutes. Right? Right answer is
Number 1.
number 1. Yes. Number 1. Next, number 14. Could understand? That is in your book, that is 15. So 3 pipes A, B and C can fill a cistern in 18 minutes. After working together for 6 minutes, C is closed and A and B fill the cistern in 24 minutes. Then find the time in which the cistern can be filled by pipe C. It is as question number what? 14 or question number 13. Could understand? Can you do it? Can you do it or not? Yes. Can you do it or not? Tell me. No. So, as per question A plus B plus C से, right? C से 1 minutes work is equal to how many? 1 upon 18. 1 upon 18. So they worked 6 hours together. So 6 minutes together. That means 6 minutes work is equal to 1 upon 18 into 6. That is 6 1 6 3. That is 1 upon 3. The remainder is 1 minus 1 upon 3 is equal to LCM 3. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 upon 3. Right? So 2 upon 3 work is done in 20 minutes, 1 minute. This part is done how many minutes? In how many minutes? 1 minute. Therefore, full part is equal to full part is equal to, sorry, not this is not 1 minute. As per question, it is done in 24 minutes. Done in 24 minutes. Full part means 24 into 3 upon 2 is equal to 20, 12, 36 minutes. Which is correct? Number 3 is correct. Next, three pipes A, B and C are connected to a tank. A and B together can fill the tank in 60 minutes. B and C together in 40 minutes. And C and A together in 30 minutes. In how much time will each pipe fill the tank? Okay, we shall do it. That means
tank speculation.
Separately. पृथक भाବରେ, राइट. तो लेट्स सी ए बी से ए प्लस बी से 1 minutes work filling is how many? 1 upon 60. B plus C से 1 minute filling is equal to 1 upon 40. Look at the blackboard. Next C plus A से 1 minutes work is equal to 130. Total how many B से, how many A से, how many C से? 2 A से, 2 B से, 2 C से. 2 plus A plus B plus C से 1 day's work is equal to 160 plus 140 plus 130 implies that how many? 120? LCM is equal to 120. So 120 divided, look at the blackboard, 120 divided by 60 is equal to how many? 2. Plus 120 divided by 40 is equal to how many? 3. Plus 4 is equal to how many? 9. 2, 3, 5, 4, 9, 9 upon 120. 3 da, 340 da is equal to 340. 2A plus B plus C is equal to 3 upon 40. Therefore, 1A plus B plus C is equal. It's 1 minutes work is equal to 340 into 2 is equal to 380. Right? Now, this is, now first we will calculate A's work, A's 1 day's work. A's 1 minute, minutes work is equal to 380 minus how many? Minus BC, that is BC is equal to 140. 140 is equal to 80. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 80. That is 80 minutes. 180 part means 8 minutes. Next BC equal to 380 minus 130. BC means A plus B plus C minus CA equal to 130 is equal to, this is how many? 240. 240. 3 minus 4. 3, just 1 minute. 240 divided by 80 is equal to 3. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Minus 220, sorry, 340. I said 340 first. Again. 240 divided by 80 is equal to 3. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Similarly, 240 divided by 30 is equal to 8. That 8. What did I say? 8. That is, we have already calculated A 80 minutes, right? A plus B plus C से 1 minute minutes work is equal to 1 3 upon 80. We have already calculated it. 3 upon 80, right? A से 80 minutes, B से is equal to 380. 380 minus 130 is equal to 240. 240 divided by 8 is equal to 3. 3 3 is equal to 9 minus 8 is equal to 1 hour 20. 240. That is 240 minutes. Right? C means A plus B minus AB is equal to 380. C से 1 minute minutes work is equal to 380 minus how many? How many AC? CA. C means AB. We will leave the 160. 160 is equal to, this is 80. 160 is equal to, this is equal to 240. Yes. 240 divided by 80 is equal to 3. 3 3 9. Right? 9. This is 9. 9 minus 5. 9 minus 4. 4 is equal to 5 upon 240. Is equal to 1 upon 80. So that is 8. So A can do in 80 minutes, B in 240 minutes, and C in 48 minutes. So which is correct? Tell me.
Number 1.
Number 1. Which one is it?
15.
80 20 number. Okay, done. Next one is the 3 pipes. So 16, number 16 is the same. Could understand? You can do it. Number 18. 2 pipes can separately fill a tank in 10 minutes. Could understand? 2 pipes can separately fill a tank in 10 hours and 15 hours respectively. Both the pipes are opened to fill the tank, but when the tank is 1 upon 60 full, a leak develops in the tank through which 1 upon 60 of water supplied by both the tanks leak out. What is the total time taken to fill the tank? So, 2 pipes, how many pipes? 2 pipes. There is 1 minute work, there is 1 minute filling is equal to the 1 minute filling is equal to 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 15 is equal to how many? So 30. 33 plus 2 is equal to 5 upon 30, that is 1 upon 60. So first both filled in 1 minute 160 part, but as a leak developed, this portion was drained out. Could understand? This part was drained out. Again, they have to work faster. They worked 1 minute, right? Again, they will work 6 minutes. 160 part in 1 minute. In 1 minute, minute means 6 hours. 6 hours or what? Tell me. Yes, hours. 6 hours, right? So here that is not 1 minute, that is 1 hour. First they worked 1 hour and filled 160 part, but the leak damaged it. Again they had to work. First worked 1 hour, again they will work to fill the tank in 6 hours. In 1 hour, this is not a minute, this is 1 hour, they fill the tank in 160 part. Could understand? That means they take 6 hours to fill the tank. Could understand? So at first they worked 1 hour, then again worked for 6 hours. Total how many hours? 7 hours. Right answer is 7 hours.
Number 1.
Number 1. Next, 19. 19. Two pipes can separately fill the tank in 30 hours and 45 hours respectively. Both the pipes are open to fill the tank, but when the tank is 2/3 full, a leak develops in the tank through which 2/3 of the water supplied by both the pipes leak out. What is the total time taken to fill the tank? So again here, two pipes, there 1 hour's filling is equal to 1 hour's filling is equal to 130 plus 145 parts. That is LCM 90, implies that 90 divided by 30 is equal to 3. Look at the blackboard please. And 45, 90 divided by 45 is equal to 2 plus 2 is equal to how many? 5 upon 90. 5 if 1 the 5 8 in the, that is 180 part or 18 hours. Both the pipe take 18 hours to fill the tank, right? So there is 1 hour's work is 1 upon 80 part. Could understand? So what happened? 1 upon 80 part is filled in 1 minute, you know. 1/8 part is filled in 1 minute, right? Minute. Therefore 2/3. Therefore 2/3. 1 part is equal to 1 into 18. 2/3 means 2/3 into 2/3. That is 3. 6 is equal to 12 minutes. 12 hours. What did I say? 12 hours. Right? 12 hours. First two pipes took in 12 minutes, 12 hours. 12 hours, right? Second, the two pipes fill the entire cistern in 18 hours. First they took 12 hours. Again they took 18 hours. Total how many hours? 30 hours. So the right answer is 30.
Number 2.
Number 2. Next one is 20. What did I say? 20. So a cistern is normally filled in 4 hours, but it takes 1 hour longer to fill because of a leak in its bottom. If the cistern is full, the leak will be empty in days hours. Let the leaks 1 hour. Let the leaks 1 hour. 1 hour. That is 1 hour emptying. thing is 1 upon x. Could you understand? As per the question, 1/4 minus 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon 5. Implies that 4x, right? X minus here 4 is equal to 1 upon 5. Implies that, let's make a cross multiplication. 5 into x minus 4 is equal to 4x. Implies that 5x minus 4 is equal to 4x. Implies that 5x minus 4x is equal to 4. Implies that x is equal to 4. Right? X is equal to
4.
Oh, this is not. This is 20. Could understand? Again, the same mistake you made. 5x minus 20, right? Is equal to 4x. 5 into 4 is equal to. Could understand? Implies that 5x minus 4x is equal to 20. Implies that x is equal to 20. X is 20 hours. The answer is how many?
Number 2.
Number 2, 20 hours, right. Okay, with this, that is the end of today's what? Math class. We shall discuss the other maths in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.